Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Talisha and today I'm going to go over my February sewing plans. So for my first plan, I have a collaboration scheduled for Sunday, February 14th, and that is going to be with Madi from Madi Sews on Instagram and on YouTube. So I won't tell you the theme of our collaboration, but I will give you a clue. For me, it involves 3 garments, so I'll let you take a guess, but in the meantime I'll be finishing up my collaboration and you will be seeing that coming soon. So I have been in communication with Madi for quite some time now. She has wonderful videos and she has a beautiful sense of humor and she's very pleasant to talk and work with. So if you have not been following her on her social media platforms, you really should. She produces great content and she has a regular schedule that she uploads to, and I will go ahead and put her information in the description box below so that you can check her out. So for my next plan, my plan is to participate in the Black History Month Pattern Designers Challenge, also known as hashtag BHMPD. This challenge is hosted by Natita, also known as So Natural Dane, on YouTube and on Instagram. And her co-host this year is Kier, and she's also known as the Island Socialist. And she's both on Instagram and YouTube as Island Socialist. These ladies are amazing. They're just great, and they have regular content as well on their Instagrams and on their YouTube channels. I have been watching all of the recent videos along with others that have uploaded, and just seeing all the work that they have done to make this challenge happen. It just makes me so proud and appreciative knowing that there's someone out there that is willing to put the type of work that they put in to make sure the Black pattern designers have been put on the forefront, that they're being showcased, and basically they're just on the positive front line. And so I definitely am going to be participating in that this year. So with that being said, I am going to sew a pattern that was designed by Erin from Style Sew Me Patterns. The pattern name that I am going to sew up is called the Giselle. This pattern was just released the other week and I absolutely fell in love with it. The design of the dress falls perfectly in with how I am trying to change my style within my wardrobe, and if you've been watching my videos, you know all about that. So I'll go ahead and insert pictures here so that you can see what the dress looks like. So the fabric that I plan to use to make this dress is a crepe fabric blend that I purchased from Joann Fabrics, and I will show you that here. Look at that. This is so me. So my mother went to the fabric store with me when I actually picked these fabrics up, along with a bunch others, but that's for another video. And I'm telling you, she was like, this is you. You gotta get it, which I wasn't gonna leave that, but look at this. Look. Sorry, being silly. So yes, I'm gonna use that fabric to make that dress. I mean, just imagine there's fabric and that dress. So I'm not sure which day I'm gonna be posting the dress, but stay tuned and click the notification bell so that you don't miss it. I also have another pending plan, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough time to get that completed. So if I do it, I do it, but I'll probably miss the actual challenge deadline. So it'll just be a bonus. But if so, again, it will be posted here and on Instagram. So just make sure you stay connected. And for my last plan, I will be making the decision on which fabric I'm going to pick for my quilt. I have narrowed it down to a few of the choices that I put in my last quilting vlog, but the reason why I need to make a decision is because I'm thinking that I might want to incorporate a design within the quilt by picking a secondary fabric that would stand out among the other fabric, and within that secondary fabric it will have the letter of my last name. So I'm not sure if that's what I want to go with, but it's just a thought, and I thought it would be nice. But like I said, I'm still thinking on it, and I am going to draw it out to just kind of get a visual, just sketch it out, sketch out the regular, just kind of see which one I fall in love with. And of course my husband too, because you know, he has to sleep on it and look at it as well. So I will keep you posted in my quilting vlog that I do for this month, which is something that I plan to do every month, just to kind of keep you updated along the process. But I do want to have everything finalized and purchased by the end of this month, so I can go ahead and just start sewing it. Alright, so that is it for my plans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you to subscribe if you have not done so already, and click the gray notification bell if you have not done so. Thank you again, and bye-bye.